Want to connect your Samsung phone to a Wi-Fi network but don't know how? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to connect your Samsung phone to Wi-Fi. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Here, tap on Connections. Now, select Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is turned off, tap the toggle at the top to turn it on. Your phone will start searching for available Wi-Fi networks automatically. From the list, tap on the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. If the network is password protected, enter the correct Wi-Fi password. After that, tap Connect. Wait a few seconds, and once the connection is successful, you'll see the word Connected below the Wi-Fi network name. That's it. Your Samsung phone is now connected to Wi-Fi, and you can start using the internet. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.